You know
like
how
an old lady at a circus, bitch.
No, just kidding. Hey y'all, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a challenge because I've been seeing this video for a while and I think it's so fucking hilarious. Like, I think this video is so fucking funny. So I'm like, and I was supposed to get my hair done today. Don't mind this. But today I thought I was gonna get my hair done. So, but I'm not, unfortunately. That sucks. But I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna, like, it kind of brought me down, but I'm like, you know what makes me happy is making content. So I'm gonna make the appointment right now. Let me look them up. It's literally like so good that I don't have a lace on right now, because what if she doesn't match my foundation right, and my foundation, that foundation ends up in my lace, and my lace and that foundation gets in my lace and it gets fucked up, and I'm gonna be mad as fuck that this bitch fucked up my hair. So I'm about to call and see if they got an appointment for today. Hello?
Yes.
Hi, do you guys have any appointments available for today?
Yeah, sure. You want to do eyebrows?
No, I need my makeup done.
Okay, at what time?
Can we do like 6 o'clock?
What time?
6?
Yeah, today, what time?
6 o'clock.
Oh, 6 o'clock? No, it's not. Can you come here before 5?
Before 5?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay, yeah, just be here before 5 o'clock, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Oh wait, how much is it? Like, I want a full bead. I want a full bead.
We're out of eyelashes, but if you bring, I can put, then I can charge for that $5. And makeup is, I will charge this 35.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, thanks, bye.
Bye. $35, bitch, what the fuck. So anyways, so our makeup appointment is before 5. It's now 3:49, 3:50. So yeah, I'm just about to take a shower because I just got from the gym, and we are gonna be on our way to go to our makeup appointment. I can't believe I'm about to do this. So I'm with my sis, she's coming with me. The plan is that I'm gonna tell the lady I need to record because I'm about to go to graduation, and this is a graduation memory for me. So yeah, so here we go.
I mean,
so I think you need to clean off your eyebrow. Have you tried threading before? Yeah, I just got them threaded like last week. I literally just got them done. I don't even want them 30. I need them to grow. Okay, sure.
Nope. Bruh. Help me! Really, nigga?
On a liner or pink on the middle.
Oh, okay, that would be nice. had to go get my hair done.
Kirah. They fucking stink. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my. Y'all. Y'all, I'm about to switch over to my camera and I'm finna call my makeup artist. It's ugly.
Makeup artist. It's for a YouTube video. How do I look? Bitch.
You look so stupid. You like your prostitute.
Y'all, oh my god, I cannot believe I did this challenge. She didn't even put no contour. She didn't put no highlight on me. She didn't put like nothing. I don't even, oh my god, like what the fuck? I look so fucking dumb. Oh my god. This shit is so embarrassing. I need to take this shit off now. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'm about to record some more reactions. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, this was not to be mean or anything like that. This was just for entertainment, and we don't knock anybody. And I did leave her a tip because she was super nice. So yeah, this is crazy.
Are you recording me? Oh my goodness, child.
You like my makeup?
What the fuck, Kirah? Why are you recording me?
Because I just went to the worst makeup artist.
Your fucking makeup looks terrible.
You know
You're
how
like an old lady at a circus, bitch.
You should have seen how many people was there.